Careful. Ooh, good morning, guys. We're up 6 a.m. We're up with a spring in our step and no aching backs, and I'd be lying because
who's taking the happy pill this morning?
So again, on the water. Let's get a kettle on, have a cup of tea. No, kettle on, have a cup of coffee. To make breakfast a bit easier this morning, I'm doing boiled eggs in the zebra billy can, and then I'm just going to cook the sausage and bacon in the ridge monkey. It'll cook quicker with the lid closed in there. And then there's no fancy presentation, it's just get your food in, pack up, and let's get on the river and get some miles done. So that's what we're having for breakfast. No beans today. Mind you, they didn't kick in at all yesterday. Thought I would have nicely gassed out jobber in the back there, but I didn't. However, my paella this morning did fill my fart sack up and made me get up. So the eggs are cooling in there, ready to boil. I've got the bacon in there, and I've done the bacon first because it was quite watery yesterday, so I'm going to get the water out and then chuck the sausages in there. Dave's making a brew and the sausages have gone in. So they're having a steamy, boily, but that's the beauty of the ridge monkey. Just chuck it in and it'll cook quicker because it's sealed. Toss and turn is just a deconstructed bacon egg.
Good morning, people from the river. Happy morning.
We're going Welsh all then.
Because we've been sat with you for 2 days. Wayne, see the Swazi hut trousers? Normally they would be handed down to you, but as you're not here, they're going to Mark. Sorry, bud.
Yeah, give away. It's breakfast like Dave.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, I gotta say the ridge monkey is good. So we've got boiled egg, sausage and bacon. Lovely jubbly. Okay, so breakfast is done and Dave's washed up. I cook, he cleans. And now it's just lessons learnt from on the way. Whatever we need. So I'd like a cup of tea when we stop, so I'm gonna make sure that the trangia, the kettle, the gas, tea bags and everything goes in the top of the barrel. Because yesterday it was in the bigger barrel and then that's tied down in it, and it was just too much hassle to get out of the boat. So we're learning today, we're learning. We're going to pack strategically. So we're just going to drop the tents and everything and then we'll pack the boat and then we're on our way. It's 10 to 8, so we should be on the water by 9 easy. 10 to 9. The boat is packed. David's ready.
Wee.
Canoe for a bit, and then when we get hot, when the sun comes up, then we'll pull in, derobe a bit, sun cream up, and then push on for the rest of the day. We left it tidier than we found it. There you go. We're on the water again. Ooh, bit nippy, Dave, isn't it?
Nah.
Yeah, it is. They're happy now they can have their beach back. And that's the view for the morning. Lovely. I don't feel that bad actually. No wait, starting morning off with our view. So the sun poking over the trees. The river's flat, calm. All you can hear is the birds.
Fucking not, there's not even a fucking ripple on this today.
Look. Lovely.
Getting shallow.
Yeah. Morning.
Morning.
Yeah.
I think we might be getting out and walking.
I told you to go right. Yeah, go on then. Go. Go. Not going to capsize. No, we're fucked, Dave.
No, we're not.
What he did, Wayne. Wayne. What he fucking did, Wayne.
You have to lean on the right. On the right, and that would have lifted the left up. The water was pushing it in.
You fucking sunk us.
That's it, sir. Careful.
It fell in deep. Yeah. Farmer don't like that. Right, don't forget my phone. Yeah. I went, oh, go right, there's always been go left.
Right, well, what we want to do is like, get some of the water out of it first. So we want to get it up to like over this way. Yeah? Right, now pull it up. Yeah, it's all going to be down this way. But once we get a bit more of that out.
Well, that was a refreshing dip, wasn't it?
Yeah, right.
We're off again. Just saying, if we had gone right like he said last night, and he read the maps, come to a small set of island, go right. I said, Dave, we going right? No, I'll go left. And then the farmer actually said, if you go down here, boy, if you go down here, boy, you'll capsize.
No, we would have been all right.
Oh.
I think it was a lot of weight at the front getting in. be driven by Craig.
Those damn Duke boys tried jumping the river. Was it S Hanover? Probably. They usually fast. Okay, we just pulled up on a little island. We thought we got a tree, got the sun there. We got a nice breeze. So after, won't mention any names, but after Dave sunk us, we thought we'll just make sure, check all our kit, make sure everything's done. So we got everything out, we've checked everything. The only thing that's not is that bag there, but everything was in dry bags anyway, apart from my ex-bed first aid kit. That's failed, so that's not a dry bag anymore. And the fridge, we've lost the open pack of ham, open pack of sausages and open pack of bacon, so they're gone. So it's just boiled eggs for breakfast in the morning, and we should have enough for ham. Got the tents drying in the wind, got my keks drying in the tray thing. Dave's drying his tent. So as soon as we're all good to go and everything's done, then we'll be on our way.
Push off with your left foot. Oh man, push with your left foot.
Shut up, you tart. Last time you say fucking left to me after you sunk us.
Yeah, left and right. That's the problem. Right.
Right then, tally ho.
Tally ho, boy, man. We can sneak down the left here. Should have gone right. Nah. We'll go in now. From Ross and Wye, everything is right.
Well, I told you that at the beginning. Where do you want to get out?
Sorry?
Where do you want to get out?
A bit further down.
Okay. Right, we just stopped up on a slip by Ross on Wye. Smashed some jelly babies, pack of crisps and some cherry bakewell and some other cake David bought. And then we're just going to push on a couple of miles now and see if we can find somewhere nicer to stop. Now we're just going past Goodrich Castle. And that is 9.96 miles, and we've been on the go for 6 hours and 12 minutes, and it's 3:25, and we're going sideways.
Imagine the pressure that's put on that bridge in flood with all that at the bottom of it by the water.
Yeah.
It's impressive, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, you fucker! I swear you jumped in just so I had a lap full. Pardon?
Did you have the GoPro on?
Not on me getting wet.
On.
What?
You had it videoing?
It was on, yeah.
Oh, cool.
But not me having a lap full of water. Hit me right in the ding dong. Paddling for 8 hours 18 minutes, and it's 5:30. Yeah. Whew. Right, we've done 29.5 miles.
Oh. How many?
Done 29.4.
Right, back in the boat. We've got another 0.6 to do. Come on. I'm not having that.
Let me that a fag here. Anyway, we're in Symonds Yat. We've looked for ages to find somewhere to spot, and then Dave said he made an executive decision and went, fuck it, we're going by here. So that's what we're doing. So there's Symonds Yat caravan-y type place for there, or boat club. So that's it, we're knackered now. I have to call it executive decision. Lucky earlier I dropped my phone in the river, went to charge it, and now it says moisture's detected, so I'm on 11%, and I thought, oh, I'll just check the weather, and it said 50% chance of rain coming in. Mr. Optimistic there went, oh no, it'll be alright. So okay, we're losing light a bit now. So we got curry and rice in there, and then I'm going to do a naan in the Ridge Monkey. So I'm going to let them boil for about 30 minutes. Well, just simmer for 30 minutes. Leave it in the water. Fill the Ridge Monkey up with naan bread. And then we'll have curry, rice, naan bread, and wine.
Oh, and bourbon.
And bourbon whiskey.
This is just rehydration.
Yeah, but like I said, almost, just saying now, almost 30 miles in a canoe today. Hell of an achievement and a good eventful day.
Yeah, you'll never forget this one.
Yeah, we
You
crashed.
probably never want to come with me ever again, but you'll never forget this one.
Just like to say on camera, who was right?
Rain.
You see rain falling on the river, but it does show blue skies coming over, so nice. Hopefully they got it wrong, but can't grumble. What we've had has been, let's turn you into the light. What we've had has been amazing. So. Naan bread's cooked really well in the Ridge Monkey. So we got curry and rice on the last night, naan breads, wine on the go. Can't fault that. Yep, so we're going to tuck into this.
Bon appetito.
Bon voyage. Well, we can't see me now, but that curry was tremendo.
That's a camouflage.
Right, that's the end of day 3. So it's about 10 o'clock now, so we're going to head off to bed, up early in the morning. I think Dave's worked out we've got about 7 miles to go. So, right, good night.